Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have for you a FabFitFun Spring Uncustomized box here that I paid $44.98 for, and also I have one of their mystery bundles in here. $29 for the mystery bundle, and also I got a set of Glamnetic nails in here to go over with everyone. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription. It typically costs about $49.99 a season. Be a member of FabFitFun to have access to these sales. The edit sales is what they're called, and that's where I picked this stuff up at. So let's go ahead and see. This is a box. It's pretty substantial size. I think this is like the size of their normal FabFitFun box, but let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. First on top is my Glamnetic nails that I ordered. I think I only paid like $6 for these, which is a really good deal because these are some nice nails. I do like this company. I've never tried that shade yet, but I'm pretty sure it's just as good as all the rest of them. Now going ahead and opening the box, I want to start with the mystery bundle that I got. And that is right here for $29. I got all these goodies in here. The first thing that is included in my mystery bundle is this cute little cheetah headband. Got like a little knot on top, like a little bow almost. Super cute. I like it. I'm happy to get stuff like this. Something I wouldn't normally buy for myself that you probably would use though. I got a No BS body moisturizer with aloe vera, coconut butter, and shea butter and coconut oil inside of it. Now I'm curious to see. And this is definitely something that I will use, so I'm always happy to get anything like related to the body. It is sealed, so we're just going to leave it that way. But it's a decent size body moisturizer. I'm really excited to get this. Moving on, something else you can always use is an eyebrow pencil. It's a universal brow shade. I do believe I have this one already, but I can never have too many eyebrow pencils, so there's that. And the last thing inside of this mystery bundle is a cleansing gel. It says eat cooking on it. I'm wondering why it says that. It's vegan. It says it's for your face and your neck, so I'm not sure why it says. Okay, it says you can remove your makeup with eat cooking multi-oil. Finish your day cleansing routine with your favorite serum and or moisturizer. Okay, and this is made in Denmark, which is interesting. I don't own anything, I think, from Denmark, so that is neat to get something like that. And then let's see what they picked out for my items in this season's box. I'm really excited to see what they put. They put the magazine like they normally do with the product information in there, so you can always take a look at that. And then the first thing I'm pulling out is the Kate Spade New York earrings that they had in the product selection. And let's go ahead and look at those. Oh, they're cute. So it's kind of cool to see what they would pick for you. They're like little diamond earrings that honestly they look, hate to say cheap, even though they're Kate Spade. It says these are valued at $32 for these earrings. So, okay, at least we're getting some kind of value in here since it's a mystery box. I was curious to see how much this stuff is actually worth. So there's the first item. This next item I'm pulling out, I actually got and chose in my box, which I'm more than happy to get another one of because me and my daughter both use this. This is a really good leave-in product for your hair. It's called It's a 10. And I just love the way it smells and the way it makes my hair feel. So that's a plus there. Let's see what else is in here. I got from Hasselton aloe infused socks with a pumice stone. Okay, that's cool. I don't own anything like this, so, and it's cute. It's pink. Okay, so next item I'm pulling out is Kate Somerville Acne Treatment. I don't own this, and Kate Somerville is a really good skincare brand from what I've tried of her stuff already. So I'm always happy to get something else of hers. Her stuff typically is more high-end, so there's some value right there in that. I'm not sure exactly how much this is valued at, but I know it's not cheap. So there is that. And next, I think this is kind of strange, and I don't remember if this was a choice or not, so let me know in the comments down below. I got 3 lip masks. Was this like a lip trio or something? It's all the same exact one. I wish they could have put at least a different one in here instead of putting all 3 of the same kinds of masks in here. I mean, I love this brand. Seraphine Botanicals is the brand, and it is a very good brand. It's vegan, cruelty free. But do I really need 3 of them? Probably not. I'll probably give some of these away, put some of them in a giveaway. I probably will keep one for myself though, just to give it a go. And it looks like we're on the last item. So sad. I was hoping to get like some of the Fenty Rihanna stuff, but it looks like they all ran out of it, I guess. And I got stuff that was like left over. But I got this tote here, this Herschel tote. It's made in Cambodia. So I'm probably going to gift this to someone for Christmas. I don't typically go for brown totes. But that's okay. That's the beauty of getting this stuff. If there's something that you don't really like too well or it doesn't really fit you, you can always re-gift it to someone else. I think this was, the uncustomized box was just okay, but I really did like that mystery bundle that they put in there. I feel like that was a home run for me. It had everything that I like and love inside of it. So that's everything that I had for this video today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.